The Jonard Industries UST-100 series of cable prep tools are designed to strip RG59, RG6, RG6 Tri Quad, RG7, and RG11 coaxial cables for CATV and video applications, and many Cat5, Cat6, and other UTP type cables. This smart, sleek, and versatile design makes prepping cable simple, quick, and affordable. And its ambidextrous design is perfect for both right and left-handed technicians because the interchangeable blades can be placed on either side of the tool. The UST-100 series starts with the tool itself and changes based on the cartridge chosen. The UST-100 model uses the UST-205 cartridge for RG59, RG6, RG7, and RG11 coaxial cables. The UST-1596 model uses the UST-210 cartridge, a double-sided RG59 and RG6 coax blade, giving you a blade exclusively for RG59 and RG6 cables. The UST-150 model uses the UST-215 cartridge for stripping RG59, RG6, Cat5, Cat6, and other UTP cables. To use a UST-100 series tool, place the cable in the end of the tool. Make note of the stop or stop marker indicating how much cable to insert into the tool. The UTP cartridge is the one exception. It does not have a stop for Cat cables. After cable insertion, turn the tool several times around the cable until you no longer feel any resistance. Remove the tool and pull the strip jacket and shield away from the cable. The cable is now ready to be terminated. Jonard Industries offers a full line of fiber optic, CATV, and other popular hand tools. Be sure to check out our tools on the web or request our catalog. We thank you for choosing Jonard Industries, the leader in fiber optic technology and your source for high-quality, reliable products.